Today, I'm going to show you 3 different types of coffee drinks: Americano, Cafe Latte, and Cappuccino. So let's start by pulling our espresso shots. I'm not going to show you how this is done. There is a separate video that's very detailed about this. Since we are going to make 3 drinks, I've already made 2 double shot espresso here. So, lalagay na natin, gagamitin natin siya mamaya. Now we have made our shots of espresso. So, itong gagamitin natin ngayon. And like I said, we're going to make 3 different types of drink. So, we need 3 cups full of ice. We also have our espresso shots. This one, and this one. And we also need a sugar syrup, simple sugar syrup na pinakita ko na sa inyo paano paggawa in another video. We also need a little bit of just mineral water. Kailangan din natin ng fresh milk at saka ng ating half and half, which is a combination of condensed milk and evaporated milk. So, ready na tayong gumawa. So today, I am going to be assisted by Dandan. Hello, Dandan. Okay. Let's start with Americano. So for Americano, we need, for 16-ounce cup, we need our 2 ounces of espresso, very strong espresso. So, pagkatapos na ilagay, haluin niyo mabuti. And then we need to put about 1 to 1.5 ounces of sugar syrup. Pwede niyo bawasan at pwede niyo dagdagan. Some of them don't even like to have any sugar syrup. So, for this time, lalagyan ko na lang siya ng 1.5 ounce ng sugar syrup. So, medyo matamis siya. So, Americano with sugar syrup. And then, what you need to do here is to fill the cup to the top with just plain water. That is your iced Americano. Now, let's go to the next one, which is your Cafe Latte. Let's make our latte mix muna. So, for this, we need 2 ounces of milk syrup. Let's put 2 ounces of milk syrup. And then we need to put about 2 ounces din ng fresh milk. Haluin natin siya para mahalo yung milk syrup with the fresh milk. So this is like our latte mix. And then we will put, to top this, we will put our strong brewed espresso. So let's put this on top. So let's put a little bit of milk foam sa top ng ating Cafe Latte. Top. Now let's make our iced cappuccino. So for the iced cappuccino, what we need is very similar to the latte, but this time there will be less milk, and instead of milk, we're going to use milk foam on top. So the same way, I'm going to put 2 shots of coffee, and then I'm going to put 1.5 ounce, konti lang pagka cappuccino because they really prefer it to be less sweet. So 1.5 ounce ng milk syrup. That's all we need for the cappuccino. So, haluin natin siya. And then, the final touch of this will be the foam, the milk foam. There you have it. Easy, not difficult to make. I'm going to invite one of our customers to do the taste test.
This first,
The
it's the Americano.
Yes.
Una yung lasa niya, pagka-roasted niya. Nasa lasa mo, coffee. Sweet and very fruity.
Now let's
Next
try,
one.
yes, try the latte. See, when you present your latte, your cafe latte, make sure you put the coffee on top. So it goes downwards, there's a layer there for the coffee and the milk.
This I really like. Kasi magkata siya ng ma-coffee. Hindi siya ganun katamis. Pero for me, saktong-sakto siya.
Good. Now let's try the last one. Now this one is a cappuccino. Remember, it's coffee, a little bit of milk, and a lot of milk foam. So,
Kapag gusto mo yung kape na may konting-konting gatas, kunin mo yung iced cappuccino. For me, sa tatlo na to high-end silang lahat. Itsura pa lang, yung presentation pa lang. Pagdating sa lasa, parang silang high-end. Dito, mas gusto ko kasi mas mura, mas masarap.
oh, and healthy.
Ang number one kong favorite ito. Pero, mas, kung wala to, mas gusto tong iced Americano.
And Joshua doesn't like Americano.
Yes, ayoko siya.
So, ngayon, narinig niyo sinabi niya, it's about time. You start trying Americano. It's actually, once you tried it, you'll really like it. It's so refreshing, especially kung ayaw niyo ng may gatas. Thank you for watching, and ciao for now.